Today I am going to explain driver seat included in Unit 3, Session 9 of Vehicle Body Engineering, 5th semester Automobile Engineering. Table of Content, Introduction, Function of main components of seat, Parameters affecting driver seat design, Overall adjustment, Dimension of driver seat. Introduction. Driver seat is an inseparable and important part of vehicle. Its main function is not only to provide a seating space to driver but also support, protect and to provide comfortable seating space to the driver. Today driver seat design has been given very importance because poorly designed seat affect badly on human health as well as physiological condition of driver, hence increases the chances of accidents. Driver seat is very complicated design, consists of large number of parts and mechanisms. Main parts are frame, padding, seat pan, headrest system, reclining mechanism with lever, trim, seat belt for an apt pro and apt adjustment, height adjustment, etc. The main parts are as shown in figure like headresting, seat frame, seat back, suspension spring, trim or cover, padding, anchorage and seat pan. I'll explain in detail. First one is seat frame. It is most important part of any seat over which all other adjustment systems and components are mounted. It is made from alloy steel tube. Next part, anchorage. It is nothing but the space at which driver seat is mounted. It is like foundation. Seat cushion or padding. It is that part of seat on which driver sit. It is soft and made from resilient material such as PU foam of varying stiffness. Base and back cushions are used for seat. Next part is seat back. It is the part of seat which is vertical or somewhat inclined and supports the driver lumbar, shoulder and head. At the top of seat back, generally a head restraint system is mounted. Angle of seat back can be adjusted with help of back reclining mechanism. Next, seat adjustments. It includes height, pro and apt as well as back reclining adjustment. Seats used to adjust height, pro and apt distance and angle of back respectively. Head restraint. It is mounted over the seat back at top. Its main function is to support head, also restrict the backward displacement of head and protect the driver. There are four types of head restraint, namely integrated, detachable, separate and protective head restraints. Protective is advanced version and head restraint. Next, suspension. Generally, at two places suspension is used, namely seat base and seat back. For suspension, springs are used. Main purpose of suspension system is to minimize the vibration from road to driver seat and his body. Next one is trim. It is nothing but outmost covering of a driver's seat made from a cloth or leather of good quality. It has pleasant color, appearance as well as styling. Next, parameters affecting driver seat design. Wide varieties of parameters must be considered while designing driver seat in order to fulfill the following four criteria. Number one, driver seat is designed such a way that he can reach vehicle control with clear vision. Number two, seat is designed in such a way that accommodates the driver's size and shape. For extended period of driving, seat should provide comfort. Seat must guard driver during accident or collision. Following classification shows parameters affecting on design of driver seat. There are main three types parameters such as ergonomics related, overall weight of seat and related parameters. These parameters again classified into sub-parameters. We will discuss those parameters in details. Ergonomic related considerations. Ergonomics is branch of design engineering applied to driver seat design requires that we take into consideration how the products we design fit the people that are using them. When seat fit to the driver, it gives more comfort, less stresses, and maintenance good psychological and health conditions of driver. Ergonomics can be an integral part of design, manufacturing, and use. Knowing how the study of ergonomics, posture, repetitive motion, and workspace design affects the user in critical to better understanding of ergonomics as they related to end user needs. Comfort related parameters. Comfort is feelings like relief, ergonomic enjoyment, and stable comfort is dependent on pressure distribution over the seat. Thermal comfort, vibration at driver body, geometrical parameters. Next is pressure distribution over seat. For better comfort and proper maintenance of driver health, uniform pressure distribution along the human body over the seat is very important parameter. Pressure distribution over seat is dependent on the properties of cushion material such as stiffness, deflection, and design of cushion. Also, it depends on natural loadings, seat pan design, and backrest design. A proper seat pan counter distributes a uniform pressure over seat and avoids concentration of stresses in human body. Properly inclined back rest avoids stresses at human body. Next on thermal comfort, it is most important ergonomic parameter on which comfort as well as health of driver dependent. Generally seat cushion materials absorb heat from driver body and acts as a heat reservoir. This phenomena is good for health in winter season but responsible for uncomfort in summer season. This problem can be overcome by using different type of seat covers depending on seasons. Next one is vibration. Road surface is not uniform everywhere, yet it is constructed properly by advanced technology. Such surface is responsible for vibration at driver's seats. Human body can sustain 4 to 7 Hertz frequency vibration. Some tractor semi-active hydraulic and active mechanical hydraulic actuators are used to minimize vibration transferred to the driver. Driver seat is so designed that very less vibrations transfer to driver. Next one is geometric parameters. It includes the parameters like lumbar support, backrest slope, angle, seat width, depth and height, seat pan angle. Other adjustments, it includes other parameters apart from lumbar support. Seat adjustments totally depend on driver body shape and size. Therefore, seat designer must study the hug amount of data related to ergonomic before building a first prototype means model. Seat angle is also responsible for pressure distribution over seat. Seat pan can be tilted in between 0 to 10 degree angle depending on driver body shapes and sizes. The adjustments are as shown in figure clearly. The longitudinal adjustment 180 mm. The height of total seat is 840 mm and in inclination 10 to 25 degree. Total width of seat is 420 to 470. Inclination is 0 to 10 degrees. Height adjustment 100 mm. Dimensions of driver seat relating to the controls of the cabin. It is very clearly given in the figure. Total height from the pan is 1110 mm and to the headrest level 810 and inclination 114 to 119. Total height of the seat from pan is 369 mm and belt center is 336 mm. Uh, Other details as shown in the figure. For your study purpose, some most multi-choice questions I'll give. Number 1, driver seat is an inspirable dash of an automobile. Correct answer is part of an automobile. Next question number 2. Dash is the space at which driver seat is mounted. The answers are lumbar, B head, C back, D anchorage. Correct answer is anchorage. Next question number 3. Ergonomics is branch of design engineering applied to dash sheet design. Answer is driver seat. Question number 4. Driver seat frame is made by dash tube. The choice answers alloy steel, foam, fiber, and the last one is plastic. The correct answer is alloy steel.